Welcome to Golden Heart Healing. I am so glad that you're here today and that you have joined. And I pray and hope that the message that comes forth serves you in some unexpected, surprising, beautiful way. I'm a kid from divorce. I've had my own divorces. And I'm surrounded by people in my family who have gone through divorces. I know firsthand what a divorce does to children, and many of us know what this does to children. The holidays in particular can be very difficult for all parties, and especially the parents of the children who were once married, who once shared all these memories and dreams and goals and aspirations for their children. But with a divorce, everything changes. And there is a component of forgiveness. A forgiveness of the self, first and foremost, and a forgiveness of the other party. A realization, a belief that everyone is doing the best that they can under the circumstances and given the consciousness level of where they are. How do we forgive? We realize that our time here on earth is so short and so precious. We look to the little innocent children and we know that our grievances are being passed on to them. We love them enough to try and begin again, to try to forgive. When we have a desire to give and offer our children a better life than we had, this is the greatest gift, one of the greatest gifts that we can offer them, is forgiveness. And to realize that when we forgive the other party, the other family, our spouse, ourself, we're also gifting that to the world. We're showing our children that it's possible. We're sharing with our children the teachings of the Bible, if you follow the Bible. We're sharing the teachings of the Buddha. We're sharing the teachings of mindfulness, of gratitude, of presence, and ultimately of love and peace. So many of us say we want peace in this world. And I know that we do. And it begins with us. It begins with the willingness for us to forgive. It's difficult to see how many people in the world look to all the atrocities of the world and cast a stone at it. But yet we have our own frigidness, resentments, grievances, grudges, betrayals we're carrying inside our own heart. So how do we begin to forgive? Everyone's journey is going to be different. But many things that have helped me to be able to forgive have been journaling, pouring it all out onto paper, and then having a ceremony and burning it, letting it go. Other things have been reading books. One of my favorites was Desmond Tutu's book. I can't remember the title, but I'll put it in the links below. Another way to forgive is to pray. Talk to whatever it is that you believe in and tell whatever it is that you believe in. I don't know how to forgive, but I'm open and I'm willing to try. If you don't believe in prayer, that's okay too. There are ways to forgive without that. We can make a difference. We have the chance. We've been given this life, this snippet of time, to be here to show the next generation what is possible when we love, when we choose to love, and when we forgive. Thank you so much for joining. May all beings know peace. May all beings know love. And may all beings be free.